Heyo, welcome back to the Sesami overview. This is part 5. My name is Alex Evans. I'm the CEO of Raging Websites if you guys are brand new. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Sesami product actually into a workable service. So in the last video, I showed you guys how to make the product work with Sesami, but now we need to import that product into Sesami to make sure that it's actually working with our calendar. And believe it or not, guys, it's so simple. So right now I'm in the Sesami dashboard. I'm just going to hover over and click on services, and I'm going to pause the screen for one moment, but all you need to do is click add service, okay? Okay, so I've just added my service. I just paused it because I didn't want everybody to see all the services I have, but it was literally that simple. All you need to click is add service. Now we're importing it. Now Sesami knows that it should be reading the duration on the product. So let's tap into the Sesami service tutorial really quick here. Obviously, we'll add our team members, but that's going to be in the next video. So right away that we can see that our durations are appropriate. That's exactly what we put in. And it's so easy. We can put in our location. So we'll just do fake address, 1000 New York Street. And this is really great as well. You can put in a description. In the example that it would be something like an automotive or something where there's some liability being exchanged here or some assets, I would always recommend that you put in some type of notice here, because this is going to show up on the email that gets sent out to somebody when they're on the confirmation of, of actually buying their service. So maybe you could also put in the description, hey, we have a 30-minute buffer window. If you show up 30 minutes late, you will be charged, etc., right? Something like that. This is just another great place to have something in there. You'll also have your buffer time, so you don't overbook, or maybe let's say you want some time between the bookings, especially for phone calls. I know sometimes people like to have their phone calls run a little bit late, so maybe they want to give that extra 15 minutes afterwards. And of course, the same day bookings, when do you want to round up afterwards as well? And we totally want this. We want people to cancel or to be able to cancel their own appointments and reschedule. Normally, it's totally up to you. Normally we see same time as like 12 to 48 hours, automatically refund the money on cancellation. Yup, because I don't, we don't want to be taking all these calls all the time. And then here would be your group. So obviously you can put in, however many people that would be. But guys, that's so easy. Just make sure you scroll all the way back to the top and hit save. And now you finally have a service inside. Stick around for the next video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a team member inside of here, as well as assign their hours, okay?